It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. We got a lot to talk about tonight. We're going to talk about fall. Oh my gosh. Bath and Body Works just did a really interesting fall preview on the app. I'm going to mix that in with some stuff that I found out from Tess, Life Inside the Page. And we're going to talk about what's coming next at Bath and Body Works for fall. But first, I do want to talk about the men's care sale today, $5.95. If you've been wanting to try the new Manhattan Nightcap, which is fabulous, now's the time to do it. This is actually Black Santal, Sweet Brandy, and Cherry Wood. This is a nice unisex scent. I gotta say, I love this one. I love that the brandy, the cherry santal. I don't know. There's something really nice about this. This is like my favorite men's care scent right now that I'm like totally into wearing. They do have the deodorant. Why don't we have women's deodorant? We need women's deodorant. I would rather have that than laundry detergent. And they do have a bar soap, which I actually want to get. Don't get the bar soap with the $5.95 sale. It's not a good deal. Deodorant's a really good deal. The body spray, the body cream. But this one, this would be a good one to polish your furniture with. Your house is going to smell amazing. So this is my new favorite men's scent, Manhattan Nightcap. So yay on that one. So now let me flip over to my other screen here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, no, not that. Not that. I am getting there. Where'd it go? There it is. So Bath and Body Works today gave us a little bit of a fall preview on the app. They showed a couple of hand soaps, not too exciting. We knew that. But what's interesting, I'm going to put a screenshot up. Copperfields is one of the new body care products that's coming out. I don't know what it smells like, but I'm going to talk about the other products in that collection. But one of the interesting things, I'm going to put another screenshot up, is Bath and Body Works is like, we have 35 fall products. I'm like, that's a lot of product for fall. Super exciting. So there's a lot more coming, including pumpkin cupcake I saw is coming back. So I'm going to talk about, so let's see. We have Fresh Vanilla Blossom that's coming. There's actually a Bath Fizzy in that. I don't know the scent notes on any of these. Like I said, Fresh Vanilla Blossom. I don't know. Is it like a florally vanilla? I'm not sure. Sunrise Woods is coming back. A lot of you love Sunrise Woods from years past. That is a good one. Sweet Whiskey. Yay, Sweet Whiskey. I'm so happy that Sweet Whiskey is coming back. That is actually one of my favorites. I just was using the shower gel yesterday. And then we have the new Copperfields, which Bath and Body Works is kind of previewing out. And then we have Moonlit Martini. I have no idea what it is. I'm totally fascinated about Moonlit Martini. So then we have some new candles coming. The next set of candles out are going to be blueberry maple pancakes. I've seen the jars. They're super pretty. A lot of people have been asking about blueberry maple pancakes. Pumpkin apple. Of course, pumpkin apple is like in every collection. Autumn chai. Apricot and green fig, which I think sounds interesting. Praline delight. Roasted pecans, brown sugar, and creamy caramel. I'm not sure if that's going to be a repackage of another like pecan, because we've had pecan pie. We have had that Texas pecan. I don't know. It could be a repackage. Pumpkin cupcake, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and pumpkin snickerdoodle are going to be available. And then there's actually some more body care. Let me see. Did I miss that other one? The one that appears to maybe be a repackage of Bonfire Bash, because that might be in fall 3 though. We're not getting Bonfire Bash back as we know it. I don't know if we're going to have another one. Oh, it's called Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. That's what it's called. I missed that one. And there's Fine Fragrance Mist, Body Wash, Body Cream. I don't know what it's going to be. I'm really hoping it's a repackage of Bonfire Bash, because I need my Bonfire Bash back this year. That's kind of bugging me. We're also supposed to be having the Luminous Holiday Body Care Collection. I don't know a lot about that yet, but it's funny because Tess Leifens on the page, if you go there, she just posted a little tiny bit about Christmas. Oh my gosh. So what we know about Christmas so far is, of course, Vanellope Noel is coming back. And then it looks like we could be having a holiday preview coming up, which is always good. Holiday always starts in fall 3. And the other one she had listed is the, where did it go, you guys? Oh, here it is. Golden Berry Mistletoe. I don't know what it is, but I'm kind of excited. I'm like, bring on the new Christmas. I'm like, whoa, we are really moving into the holidays a lot. Couple, 3 Weeks, Birchwood, Oakwood, Spice, Citrus Grove, Cedar and Suede. Winterberry Ice, of course, that's a, gingerbread bakery. That looks good. I'm like, yeah, bring it. I hope we get a good gingerbread body care this year. I'm not quite ready for Christmas. I'm still like doing the whole Halloween thing. But it's coming. It's going to be fun. We're going to talk about a ton of stuff. But like I said, definitely check out the $5.95 in the men's care today because it's a good deal. It really is. And then get ready for more new fall. I still got a ton of current fall to review. I need to do Ivory Cashmere. I need to do a big review of everything from Together Weather. I'm going to give it another chance. I know a lot of people, they love it. They don't like it. I it's funny. The other day I saw a lot of comments that said, if you don't like it, just say you don't like it. I don't know if I don't. I don't think I like it. Which made me laugh so hard. But I know a lot of people out there do like it. So I can tell the difference between like a bad scent and a scent that's like not me. And there's a lot of scents that like I just don't like, but it's not like a poorly made scent. So if I tell you that I don't like it, it's not necessarily because you won't like it. It's just because it's not me. So anyway, what else do I? Oh, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin is coming. What else do I have? I have a lot to review in the fall collection still. I've got a whole bunch of stuff sitting at my feet here. I haven't even really dived into many of the showers. Oh, Sweater Weather I got to do. Lots of fall. So anyway, we got a lot to talk about. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.